Have you ever wondered how thousands of products are manufactured every single day with incredible speed, precision, and consistency? From the car you drive to the food packaging you use, from construction materials to heavy engineering equipment, almost everything begins with industrial machinery. Today, we're going inside the world of modern manufacturing to discover how powerful machines, automation, and advanced engineering are transforming industries around the world. Let's begin. Industrial machinery is the backbone of modern manufacturing. These machines are designed to perform complex operations faster, more accurately, and more efficiently than manual labor. Cutting, drilling, welding, pressing, bending, assembling, and packaging are just some of the operations performed by industrial machines every day. Modern factories combine mechanical systems with hydraulic and pneumatic technology, CNC machines, robotics, sensors, and intelligent control systems to achieve higher productivity and consistent quality. Without industrial machinery, large-scale mass production would be extremely difficult. One of the most important types of industrial equipment is the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. These machines use computer-controlled instructions to cut, drill, mill, and shape materials with extremely high precision. CNC technology is widely used in automotive, aerospace, medical equipment, electronics, and many other industries where accuracy is critical. Another powerful technology is the hydraulic machine. Hydraulic systems use pressurized fluid to generate enormous force. They are commonly used for metal forming, heavy lifting, pressing, bending, and other demanding industrial operations. Then we have conveyor systems. Conveyors automatically transport materials and products from one production stage to another. They reduce manual handling, save time, improve workflow, and help factories maintain continuous production. Industrial robotic arms are another major part of modern manufacturing. Robots can perform repetitive tasks such as welding, painting, assembly, packaging, and quality inspection. They can work continuously with high speed and consistent accuracy while reducing human exposure to dangerous environments. Packaging machinery also plays an important role. Modern packaging systems can automatically fill, weigh, seal, label, and pack products before they are sent to customers. This improves production speed while maintaining consistent packaging quality. But behind every advanced machine is the expertise of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers design machines, improve their performance, reduce energy consumption, solve mechanical problems, and develop safer and more efficient production systems. Their work helps industries reduce manufacturing costs while increasing reliability and productivity. Modern industrial machinery provides many important benefits. It increases production capacity, improves product quality, reduces manufacturing time, minimizes material waste, lowers operational costs, and provides consistent results. But manufacturing is now entering an even more advanced era. This is known as Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 combines automation, artificial intelligence, sensors, machine learning, cloud computing, and the industrial Internet of Things. Smart machines can communicate with each other, monitor their own performance, detect problems, and even predict when maintenance may be required. This helps factories reduce unexpected downtime and operate more efficiently. However, advanced machinery also requires advanced safety. Regular maintenance, machine inspections, operator training, protective equipment, safety sensors, and emergency shutdown systems are essential for safe industrial operations. When technology and safety work together, factories can achieve higher productivity without compromising worker protection. Industrial machinery is more than just equipment. It represents precision, innovation, engineering excellence, and the future of manufacturing. As technology continues to evolve, factories will become smarter, faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Thank you for watching.